Ever notice how often babies hiccup, even before they're born? Yep, hiccups start in the womb. Doctors have seen them on ultrasounds as early as 9 weeks, but why? Hiccups happen when a baby's diaphragm, and that little muscle under the lungs, contracts suddenly. It pulls air into the lungs too fast, and the vocal cords snap shut. That's the ah-hic sound. In babies, it's super common because their nervous systems are still developing. They swallow air while feeding, and hiccups might help them learn to breathe. The good news, it's usually nothing to worry about. Hiccups are a normal part of your baby growing strong and healthy. So next time they hic, just smile. They're practicing for life.